Okay, here I am out in front of the duplex on Nob Hill and just doing a quick pan around the neighborhood. This is a great neighborhood. You're just a couple of blocks away from the Safeway, just over there. And Tugman Park is just to the east. It's facing south, so you're gonna have some good light. Looks like the lot is large on the far side. I'm not sure about, doesn't look like there's much of a backyard. Looks like there are side yards instead. They each have fireplaces, hardwood floors, and garages. So all of the things. The biggest concern, of course, is the updating. Looks like they're pretty much original, except they've refinished the hardwood floors, it looks like. Coat closet here in the entryway. And the windows, they are, well, they're aluminum, but they've done the exterior window to add an additional layer of thermal protection. So, but they're dated. That's a single pane sliding glass door, out to a little patio area. Dining area. The kitchens, as I said, they certainly look like they are all original. Original cabinets. And heating is ceiling heat, which isn't the best. The bedrooms are big though. The single bedroom is really quite a nice size. It looks like it's probably 11 by 12, maybe more. Windows and a good sized closet here. And then to the bathroom. And then there's the attached garage here. And then this is also where washer and dryer is as well. And then there's access out to this yard, which I haven't seen. Let's take a quick look and see what it looks like. Yeah, as I said, there's not much. It's just a little pass through, so really not a backyard. So the units are pretty much identical. I'll go give you a quick view of the other one. They are already getting offers, and so all offers have to be received by this coming Saturday, the 17th. This unit would have a little more sunlight since it's the south side of the complex or the duplex, and more light. It doesn't have the sliding glass door that the other one had, but of course you could always put one in. Take out this window and put in a sliding glass door. There's a little cement patio out there that's facing south. There's the kitchen here. It's just slightly different colors. Cabinets are different. And then the bedroom, I believe, yeah, they should be pretty much just identical, same size. And then bathroom. And the garage. Trailer in here. So, same size, and washer and dryers are out here. So there you are. Call me if you have any other questions.